Welcome to the Ingles table, everybody. I'm Chef Derek St. Romain, and this New Orleans boy is excited today because I'm going to give shrimp cocktail a little northern trick. We're teaming up with McCormick to bring you a holiday treat, making a staple that's on the Gulf. Old Bay steamed shrimp and dunking them in some Old Bay cocktail sauce. So let's get started. All right, so this is a pretty straightforward recipe, but it is packed with flavor. So I got my water in the pan, it's already hot, and I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Now you can use apple cider vinegar or beer, whichever you like. I've done both and they're both good. Always keep your ratio of water to either beer or vinegar 50-50, just match it up the same. Now, we got the Old Bay. Too bad you can't smell this. I'm just gonna mix this up. Turn up the heat. And then we got a pound of shrimp that's peeled and deveined. We're just gonna dump them right in. Make sure they're all the way submerged in the liquid. And you're gonna let it cook for between 2 and 3 minutes till they're bright pink and bursting with flavor. So we'll be right back. Oh man, I wish y'all could smell this. So the shrimp have been there about 3 minutes. And you don't want to go too much longer than that because then they're going to get rubbery and not be very good. So we're plating these up here. Look at that. Perfect, nice and spicy. There we go. Guys, if football's on TV and Old Bay's in the cocktail dish, you know it's the holidays and you know it's a party. Thanks so much to the awesome folks at McCormick for bringing us the flavors of the season. And thank you for joining us here at the Ingles table. See you next time.